quickest install ever. Do you hear me? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new, in today's video I'm going to be installing this unit right here. If you guys are interested in hearing about it and seeing me install it, then continue to watch. Before I jump into the video, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell as well. Follow me on my socials, which will be listed right here on the screen as well as in my description bar below. Today's unit does come from Beauty Forever Hair. I do want to say thank you to Beauty Forever Hair for sending me this unit. This unit is actually a U-part wig, so if you guys want to see how to get it laid and slayed and sleek and flat like so, then continue to watch. They do provide you with a wig cap as well as an adjustable band to put into your unit. Today's unit is a U-part wig, as I stated earlier. This one is in the texture body wave, and I do have it in 24 inches. So the unit, I believe is set up to be a middle part wig. I'm not really sure if it's constructed to be a side part. Technically you probably could do it if you know how to adjust it and make it fit your frame of your head and your hairline, but I'm going to stick with the middle part since middle parts are always my go-to. So opening the unit up, I will show you the construction of it. It has a total of 6 combs, I believe. There's one in the middle as well as 2 right on the sides where you're going to sit it at next to your parting space or your leave out, and then there's 2 in the front that will basically be right in front of your ears, like above your ears, just for a little extra security, as well as 1 in the back. So that is 6 combs total, as well as adjustable straps. So since this unit is a U-part wig, I did take those adjustable straps and make them as tight as possible to make sure this wig is secure. And then after that, I placed the combs on. Once I placed the combs on, I was like, okay, this actually feels pretty secure. And I really like the fact of how flat it was laying. Now sometimes I have to finagle and use like a bobby pin or so just to lay down those front tabs a bit to make sure they're not like sticking up. But the way this one was constructed, that's why I say they did a really good job with constructing it, because it definitely laid down really flat, and I was very appreciative of that. Quickest install ever. Do you hear me? Literally the quickest install of my life. That took 0 time. Alright y'all, so that really took like 0 time whatsoever. It also helped with the fact that my hair was already like out and parted and straightened and whatnot. It was pre-straightened, let me put it that way. So that helps if your hair isn't like already braided or if you already have your hair sort of prepped. But that was the quickest thing ever. The combs were super easy to install and just put into place once you parted your hair. And then once I just straightened my 2 little pieces right here, gave myself a middle part, and we honestly are done. Like, I could leave it like this, or you could pizzazz it up a little more. That was just the easiest thing I've ever done in my life. You know. And then can we also just touch on the fact of how flat this looks? Does this not look like super duper flat? Like, it is so flat. It is laying so flat. Some U-parts you get, they don't lay as flat. They're a little bit bulky, or they just like the way that they're made, the way they've been constructed, they can come off a little bit bulky, causing you to need to make your hair that you leave out a little bit thicker. But this is literally laying as flat as I don't know what. My forehead looks like a 6 head, but it is laying so freaking flat. Let me see if I put some powder. Will that help me out a little bit here? It might help me out. I might have gotten rid of a little bit of my powder there. That was the easiest install of my life. I'm ready to go out the door. And not to mention that this feels really secure. Like, of course you don't want to tug on it too much because it is only stuck in your head by combs. But she's good to go. I could do some baby hairs, but I'm gonna leave it how it is. Actually, I'm not gonna put anything else on it. I want to leave it just like it is. I'm gonna take my hot comb right here in the front where my little cuckabugs are just a little bit like scraggly, just a little bit, because I do not want to burn myself. right there in the front, right, exactly just like that. Just like that. That's exactly what I wanted. Exactly what I wanted. Wow. Wow, wow, wow is all I have to say. Rings. They are so cute. I ordered these from Elevate Styles, but I bet you could probably find these in like your local beauty supply store. They're very cheaply made earrings, so you have to be real careful with it, putting them on and taking them off to make sure you don't mess them up or anything. But yeah, hello. So all I'm gonna do now is just comb it out. It does have like a really good natural wave to it, but because I want to make sure that I can see the actual length of it and I don't want it to be like super duper perfect, I am gonna comb it out just a tad bit so you can see the difference. So this side is combed out, this side is not. Down a little bit the angle so you can see what I mean. This side's combed out, this one isn't. It just gives it a little bit more length as well as a little bit more texture versus it being straight out of the package, nothing done to it. Alright y'all, so that is the end of today's video. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. I want to say thank you again to Beauty Forever Hair for sending me this unit. Y'all, I'm really starting to feel you part wigs lately. They are just giving me sew-in vibes. I just really like the natural without having to lay lace, blend lace, you know. It's just a little bit less work. However, I still love my lace. Don't get me wrong, still love my lace, but I have a good relationship with you part wigs as well, is all I'm saying. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you leave me a thumbs up, comment on this video, as well as subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.